Do you want to know how you can log into your TJX Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your TJX Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for TJX Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen, which will take you to the official login portal of TJX Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your first name in the box over here and write down your last name in this box. Then write down your last digit of your AIN number and click on I'm not a robot. Then go ahead and click submit. This way you can log into your TJX Payroll account. So if you click on the second link over here, it might take you to another link. And you can see there's no login portal, so that was the login portal, guys. You have to click on the first link, and after you click on the first link, it will take you to this login portal. You can see that this is the third link over here. So go ahead and click on the first link, and you can write down your last name, your first name, your 4 digits of your AIN, and click on this I'm not a robot and click submit. So guys, this is how you log into your TJX Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.